Hey guys, I'm Sam. We're back working on my 240 here. So last time I talked about it, this time we're actually gonna do stuff. I am dressed way warmer than last time. I'm kind of styling new boot goofing here. But yeah, it's kind of cold out now. Winter's here in Wisconsin. So the goal for today is to start to install the angle kit, and the first part of installing an angle kit is taking the stock stuff off. So the goal for today is just to get the stock stuff off and move to the next step after that. You know, I should probably have said in the intro that I have never really worked on a 240 except for putting bumpers back on 240s. So this will be an adventure for all of us. Whoop, we're losing your microphone. For this, I don't know what I'm doing. You're supposed to jack up from the oil pan, right? We're gonna take the front bumper off because we got some cool body kit parts coming, and this super cool Aero OEM bumper isn't gonna go back on there right now. I need tools now. Damn it. I don't think it's attached by much. This is exciting content. This is a weird situation going on here. I don't know why he used what he did. Don't film this part, this is not the right tool. This is like picking your wand, I think, if you're Harry Potter. This is mine. Really far up in there. Oh no! Microphone. Can you hear me now? I mean, how the heck am I supposed to get that out? Oh. This is dumb. Damn it. BRB. It's like on blocks. This is when you just give up. You just stop. It's a whole new world. Oh yeah. Hear that? This is stupid. That is the sound of success. Yep, got it. Ah, dude, we're learning. So we're gonna edit all that out. And yeah, just right to this part. I could go elbow deep if I wanted to. Dakota ain't got nothing on this. You too. The Persuader. Holy moly! What kind of jujitsu is that? Oh, cut to this. All right, so it's that easy to take off the hardware for your bumper. Okay, looking pretty good. All right, this is a really cool bumper though, so I do not want to lose this. Lose this, like I'm gonna lose it. I meant damage this. God. Whoops! Oh, God, these brakes are just baby brakes. They're so tiny. Definitely need to reroute these wires. This is not the ideal way to do this because it wrecks the ball joint, but they look pretty nasty anyways. I know what I'm doing. You know, hold this as high up as possible and just drop it. That's not what we want. I think I take these two off, the knuckle comes out. Well, the ball joint. Should probably do the ball joint first, actually. How do we want to attack this? No. I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, don't impact the bolt side.
I'm thinking.
Dude, this impact is crazy. For how small it is. Dude, this is some positive camber right here. Dude, hella camber. Okie dokie, so. Oh! Nice. All right, we're done. Holy crap. I might have to take the tie rod out to easily access this. Oh, that had been sealed on there. Oh. Yes. Oh, I love 240s. We'll have to do a comparison from stock to not stock. Dude, yeah, this has seen some stuff. Oh yeah, oh. It's your boy. This is the most boring looking tension arm ever. Like, this ISR stuff's gonna look way cooler, and that is half the battle of drifting is looking cool. How to, hour later. Bumpers off. That's it. These aren't even bent. Like, usually these brackets are pretty bent. Overall, outside of that wiring that kind of sucks a little bit, it's pretty good. All right, so start by taking the tie rod, pop the end out of the knuckle. At that point, you can just take the whole thing out as a unit like we did here with the inner tie rod connected to the outer, since we'll be replacing both. And then after that, you take the brake caliper and these two mounting points here, take those bolts off, take the brake caliper off. At that point, the brake disc is free, or brake rotor. And then from there, for the knuckle, we popped the bolt off for where the ball joint is. Then take the two top bolts off, then you get your knuckle, that's free. After that, you basically free up your lower control arm. There is the tie rod end link that goes in here, that just comes out from the bottom, and then this bolt here, and then this guy is free. And the last thing that we did was, as you're doing that, take the two bolts off for your tension arm, and you just take one bolt out of there at the end, and that's it. All right, so in the next episode, we'll be putting the new stuff on the car. So everything that you see right here, from the knuckle, tension arm, lower control arm, inner and outer tie rod, I have new versions for that are adjustable to get the angle that I'm looking for when I'm drifting. So stay tuned for that episode, and that'll be next.